Hi, I'm Scott Graham. I'm a structural engineer for WJE, and here we are today at the Janney Technical Center. When structural engineers design reinforced concrete members, he and she often need to assume certain minimum structural properties of the reinforcing bar. Things like yield strength, tensile strength, there's bending requirements, there's chemical requirements. We are often hired at WJE to perform these tests, one of which is a monotonic tension test. In order to perform this test, we need to use our universal test machine, which is our Tinius Olsen. It has 400,000 pounds of capacity. It can do tension tests, it can do compression tests, it can do cyclic tests, it can do fatigue tests, all on a wide variety of materials and products. For this monotonic tension test, we're going to take this piece of steel, we're going to put it in our Tinius Olsen test machine, and we're going to pull it apart until it breaks, and that will tell us its tensile strength characteristics and its ductility characteristics. Before we put it in the test machine, we need to install regularly spaced punch marks along the length of the longitudinal rib of the bar so that we can get an idea of the overall permanent stretch of the bar once the test is finished. So now it's time to install the reinforcing bar into the test machine. We're going to grab it in the lower grip first, then we'll lower the upper crosshead, grab it in the upper crosshead, and then we're going to install an extensometer so that we can continuously monitor elongation throughout the duration of the test. We're also going to monitor load, and we're also going to monitor crosshead movement. Here we are at the test machine control system, and we've pre-programmed the machine to operate under uniform displacement control on the lower crosshead up until the specimen fractures. Now that we've broken the bar, we've plucked the yield strength and the tensile strength from the test machine control system, we're going to find the final elongation of the bar. Now remember, we had previously punch marked these at regularly spaced intervals. Now we're going to find out how much they've stretched. Now that we've finished the test, we've found that the yield strength, tensile strength, and elongation all satisfy the requirements in the building code, and now we can go back to our client and tell them that they have a compliant product. Thanks for stopping by the Janney Technical Center.